The human immune system is one of the world's most intricate biological systems, second only to our brain in terms of complexity. Yet many remain unaware of its workings and nature. Comprised of hundreds of tiny and too large organs spread throughout the body, its network operates daily, producing billions of fresh cells which it organizes like an army with soldiers, captains, intelligence officers, heavy weapons, suicide attackers and suicide attempts, even suicidal attackers. Your immune system is more than an abstract concept. It protects you against microorganisms seeking to exploit you and cancer-causing aberrant cells prone to transformation into cancer. Due to its multifaceted nature, it would be impractical for us to cover comprehensively in one video, so instead, this series explores different aspects of it in depth. In this installment, we look into your initial defenses against invasion, an intricate battle which often plays out between life and death. Imagine an otherwise mundane day being disrupted by an asteroid tearing the sky apart, unleashing alien life forms to attack cities and consume civilians. That is how your cells feel after casually gazing upon a bleeding thumb from a minor cut from a dirty twig in the park. While you may view this incident simply as an inconvenience, within its wound lies chaos with dead cells, blood, dirt, and invading bacteria creating havoc that threatens to consume lives and consume your tissue. As soon as cells affected by an impact release chemical alarm signals, awakening the immune system. Macrophages, large cells resembling black rhinos in size, act quickly against bacteria by quickly attacking and devouring them whole before digesting them alive. Neutrophils, intense suicide warriors who release deadly chemicals or swallow bacteria into themselves even at risk to your own cells, then join the battle by vomiting deadly chemicals or swallowing up anything living inside of them, including potentially harmful ones produced by you cells themselves. As chaos reigns, inflammation ensues as fluid floods into the battlefield carrying millions of complement proteins, liquid weapons designed to stun and kill bacteria that have devastating results against infections. Depending on its outcome, battle may end quickly or escalate, necessitating dendritic cells as intelligence officers of our immune systems to collect samples in search of specific helper T cells equipped to deal with invading bacteria. Your immune system provides a formidable defense against all manner of disease, which will be explored further in this video. When an appropriate helper T cell activates, second-line defense mobilizes, clones itself and divides into groups, one group aiding soldiers on the battlefield while B cells activate antibody factories to produce protein super weapons resembling tiny crabs antibodies. About 1 week following an injury, a second line of defense springs into action and turns the tide against bacteria. Memory cells and B cells persist, providing long-term immunity against future outbreaks. As their enemies are eradicated, soldiers self-destruct, leaving only faint red marks as evidence of their battle, all this taking place unknowingly by their hosts for whom this ordeal was simply an inconvenience.